5:23 this morning. Welcome back. Hey, researchers are finding clues as to why some people are being diagnosed with colorectal cancer at a young age. A Yale study found men have a 34% chance higher than women of being diagnosed with the illness before the age of 50. Hispanic people also face a higher risk of developing colorectal cancer early compared to white people. Now, most people who need a kidney transplant never get on the wait list. An NYU Langone health study found that many kidney failure patients never actually start the process to get on that wait list. Patients who were unmarried, severely obese, lived in rural areas, or spoke Spanish were most likely to never complete the process. Researchers say that process can be too difficult for some patients to navigate. New fathers can benefit from watching educational videos on how to care for their newborns. Researchers at Northwestern University study found that when new dads were shown brief educational videos in the hospital nursery, they had more knowledge about safe sleeping for infants and how to manage babies crying and using a car seat. However, the authors of the study say some dads didn't retain the knowledge for too long. All right, well, there's good news for anyone with a green thumb. Certainly that is not me. I kill succulents, unfortunately. I'm that bad at it. But it turns out gardening may boost your brain health. Michael George spoke with experts about the results of a new study.
This one goes here, honey.
Gail Cantor and her husband David are enjoying a day of gardening together. But lately, this simple hobby has an added purpose.
My husband recently was diagnosed with Alzheimer's.
We're putting in the plants.
They're participating in the Memory Program at Brooklyn Botanical Garden. Volunteers like Joan Schieber host gardening classes for seniors with memory loss and their caregivers.
Sometimes smelling the herbs, smelling the flowers awakens memories of the past.
Let's put the basil.
New research shows gardening significantly improves cognitive health, boosting memory.
Gardening is more than a hobby. It's really a habit that we want to start forming to keep the brain as healthy as possible.
Neurologist Dr. Smitha Patel of Endeavor Health says growing plants also lowers stress and gives our body and mind a workout.
So that little bit of exercise, low, moderate activity is really good for our brains. It allows the blood flow to get to our brains.
What's next? Gail Cantor says she hopes her husband David gets something out of this experience.
It's hard to tell. I don't know if he remembers it soon after we do it. He participates. So I can't imagine that he isn't somehow getting something out of it. You gotta get the bulbs, dear.
At the very least, it's a moment to escape into nature and something the two of them can enjoy together. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
Well, Brooklyn Botanical Gardens Memory Program has been running for 10 years and also includes art making and guided tours.